To my channel. In this video I want to show you some examples regarding square roots and use of polynomial multiplication. The first example is 4 plus 9 root 3 times 4 minus 9 root 3. So I use difference of squares. It's going to be 4 squared minus 9 root 3 to the power of 2. 4 squared is 16 minus 9 squared and root 3 squared, which is 3. So that will be 16 minus 81 times 3, which is going to be 243. So 16 minus 243 will be 227. Next example, we have 1 plus 8 root 2 times 1 minus 8 root 2. Answer is 1 squared minus 8 root 2 squared will be 1 minus 8 squared is 64, root 2 squared is 2, so it's going to be 1 minus 128, which is going to be negative 127. Next example is 12 minus 5 root 5 times 12 plus 5 root 5. Answer will be 12 squared minus 5 root 5 squared, which is going to be 144 minus 5 squared, which is 25, times root 5 squared, which is 5. So it's going to be 144 minus 125 will be 19. Next example, 9 minus 4 root 3 times 9 plus 4 root 3. Answer is 9 squared minus 4 root 3 squared. So 81 minus 4 squared 16, root 3 squared is 3. So 81 minus 48, it's going to be 33. Next example, is root 3 times root 21, which is going to be root 63, and root 63 is root 7 times root 9. We need to take out one perfect square here, so which is root 9. So root 9 is 3, so it's going to be 3 root 7. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.